Hey everyone, I'm Sarah, and welcome back to Native Speakers.
And I'm Johnny. We're here to help you speak English naturally and confidently in real-life situations.
Today, we're tackling something that makes even native speakers nervous sometimes: party conversations.
Oh yes, and trust me, we've all made these mistakes. So let's dive in and make sure you don't make them too.
All right, Johnny, picture this. You walk into a party, everyone's chatting, laughing, having a great time, and you're standing there thinking, what do I even say?
Oh, I've been there. That awkward moment when you're holding a drink, trying to look casual, but inside you're panicking about how to start a conversation.
Exactly. And here's where most people make their first huge mistake. They walk up to someone and say, Johnny, what do you think people usually say?
Oh, I know this one. So, what do you do?
Bingo. And that's conversation killer number one right there.
Wait, really? I mean, I ask that all the time.
I know, and so does everyone else. That's the problem. It's not that it's a terrible question, but it's so overused, and it immediately puts people in a box. Plus, some people don't want to talk about work at a party.
That's a really good point. I remember this one time I was at a party and I asked someone what they did for work. Turns out they had just been laid off that week. Talk about awkward.
Oh no, see, that's exactly what I mean. You never know what someone's going through. So instead, try something like, how do you know the host? Or what brings you here tonight?
Oh, I like that. It's open-ended and doesn't put anyone on the spot.
Exactly. Let me give you an example. Imagine we're at a party right now. I'll show you the wrong way first, then the right way.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, I'm Sarah. What do you do?
Ah, I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a marketing manager. Cool. Nice weather we're having.
Okay, that was painful. I felt like I was being interviewed, not having a conversation.
Right? Now watch this. Hey, I'm Sarah. I love your shirt. Is that from that vintage store downtown?
Oh, thanks. Yeah, it is. I'm obsessed with vintage finds. I'm Johnny, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Johnny. So, how do you know Michelle? I work with her, but I feel like I'm meeting a ton of new people tonight.
Oh, we went to college together. She's always throwing the best parties. Have you tried those appetizers she made? They're incredible.
See the difference? We're actually connecting, finding common ground, and the conversation flows naturally.
That was so much better. And I noticed you complimented something specific, not just a generic, nice shirt.
Yes, compliments are great conversation starters, but they need to be genuine and specific. Which brings me to mistake number 2, giving fake or over-the-top compliments.
Oh, this is a big one. Nothing makes me more uncomfortable than when someone says something that's clearly not sincere.
Like what?
Like, oh my gosh, you're the most amazing person I've ever met, when they've known you for literally 30 seconds.
Yes, that's so creepy. Or when someone says, I love your outfit, but they're looking you up and down like they're trying to find something, anything to compliment.
The key is to be authentic. If you notice something you genuinely like, mention it. If you don't, find something else to talk about.
Absolutely. Okay, mistake number 3 is a huge one, and I see people do this all the time, talking about yourself nonstop without asking the other person anything.
Oh, the conversation monopolizers.
Exactly. Let me demonstrate. You start talking to me about your weekend.
Okay. Hey, Sarah, how was your weekend?
Oh my gosh, it was crazy. I went to this new restaurant downtown and the food was amazing. Then I went shopping and bought these new shoes. Do you like them? They were on sale. And then on Sunday, I met up with my friends for brunch and we had mimosas and then we went to the park and the weather was so nice. And I took like 100 pictures for Instagram.
Okay, I get it. I didn't even get a chance to respond, and honestly, I tuned out halfway through.
Exactly. That's what happens when you don't give the other person space to talk. Conversation is like tennis. You hit the ball, they hit it back.
I love that analogy. So instead, you should share something brief, then ask them a question or give them room to respond.
Perfect. Let's try that again. Ask me about my weekend.
How was your weekend, Sarah?
It was great. I tried this new Thai restaurant that just opened. Are you into Thai food?
Oh, I love Thai food. Which restaurant did you go to?
It's called Bangkok Spice. The green curry was incredible. Do you have any favorite Thai places you'd recommend?
See how much better that flows? We're actually having a dialogue now, not a monologue.
Exactly. And that brings us to mistake number 4, asking yes or no questions instead of open-ended ones.
This is so important. Yes or no questions kill conversations faster than anything.
For example, instead of saying, "Did you have a good week?" say, "What was the best part of your week?"
Or instead of, do you like this music? Try, what kind of music are you into?
Yes, open-ended questions give people the opportunity to share more and keep the conversation going. Let me show you what happens with yes or no questions.
Go for it.
Do you live around here?
No.
Oh. Do you work nearby?
No.
Oh. Is this your first time at one of these parties?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, that was so awkward. I felt bad, but I was just answering your questions.
Exactly. You weren't doing anything wrong. The questions were just terrible. Now watch this. So, what part of town do you live in?
I'm over in the Riverside area. I just moved there a month or so ago, actually.
Oh, nice. How are you liking it so far?
I love it. There are so many great coffee shops and parks. I've been exploring every weekend.
That sounds amazing. What's your favorite spot you found?
See, now we're actually having a conversation. The questions naturally lead to more topics.
Exactly. Now, mistake number 5 is one that a lot of English learners worry about, using overly formal or textbook language at casual parties.
Oh, yes, I've noticed this. People will say things like, I am pleased to make your acquaintance at a backyard barbecue.
Right. It's not wrong, but it sounds really stiff and unnatural. At a casual party, you want to sound friendly and relaxed.
So instead of, I am pleased to make your acquaintance, just say, nice to meet you, or even, hey, good to meet you.
Exactly. And instead of, how do you find the party, say, how is the party going? Or are you having a good time?
The goal is to sound natural, not like you're reading from a script or taking an English exam.
Absolutely. Now, here's mistake number 6, and this one is so common, complaining or being negative right off the bat.
Oh man, this is the worst. Nobody wants to talk to someone who's just dumping negativity on them.
Right? Imagine you're at a party and someone walks up and says, this party is so boring, and the music is terrible, plus it's so hot in here.
Yeah, I would probably excuse myself to get a drink and never come back.
Exactly. Even if you're not having the best time, keep it positive when you first meet someone.
And here's the thing, sometimes people bond over complaining, but you have to read the room. If someone else brings up something negative first, maybe you can agree a little bit, but never lead with negativity.
Great point. For example, if someone says, "Wow, it's pretty crowded in here," you could say, "Yeah, it is, but that means it's a popular party, right? The host must be thrilled."
Perfect. You acknowledged their comment, but kept it positive and light.
Exactly. Okay, mistake number 8. This is a big one. Controversial topics right away.
Oh boy, politics, religion, money.
Exactly. Unless you're at a specific event where these topics are expected, avoid them, especially with people you just met.
I learned this the hard way. I once asked someone at a party who they voted for, thinking it would be an interesting discussion. It turned into a heated argument, and the whole vibe got weird.
Yikes. Yeah, save those conversations for when you know someone better and you've established that you can discuss differing opinions respectfully.
So, what are good topics for parties?
Great question. Safe topics include travel experiences, hobbies, TV shows or movies, food, music, weekend plans, pets, and funny stories.
Let's practice. I'll start a conversation about travel. Hey, Sarah, have you traveled anywhere interesting lately?
Actually, yes. I went to Portugal a few months ago and it was incredible. Have you been?
No, but I've always wanted to go. What was your favorite part?
Definitely the food. I had this amazing seafood rice in Lisbon that I'm still dreaming about. Are you into traveling?
I love it. I'm actually planning a trip to Japan next year. I've been learning about the culture and trying to pick up a few Japanese phrases.
That's so cool. I've heard Japan is amazing. You'll have to tell me all about it when you get back.
See how easy that was? We found common ground, asked follow-up questions, and kept it light and positive.
Perfect example. Now, mistake number 8, and this is one people don't realize they're making, interviewing instead of conversing.
What do you mean by that?
It's when you ask question after question after question without sharing anything about yourself.
Oh, like an interrogation.
Exactly. Let me show you. So, Johnny, what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
What grade do you teach?
High school.
What subject?
English.
How long have you been teaching?
About 5 years. Sarah, are you writing a biography about me?
See? That felt more like an interview than a conversation.
It did. I felt like I was being interrogated.
So instead, after each answer, share something related about yourself or comment. Let's try again.
So, Sarah, what do you do for work?
I'm a marketing manager. I love it, but it can get pretty hectic. What about you?
I'm a high school English teacher. Talk about hectic. Grading papers is never ending.
Oh, I bet. My sister is a teacher and she's always drowning in grading. Do you enjoy working with teenagers?
Most days, yes. They're hilarious and keep me on my toes. I imagine marketing has its own challenges. What kind of projects do you usually work on?
See the difference? We're both contributing, both asking questions, both sharing. It feels balanced.
Exactly. Okay, mistake number 9. Checking your phone constantly during a conversation.
This is so rude, but people do it all the time.
I know. Even if you're not trying to be rude, constantly glancing at your phone tells the other person you're not that interesting to me.
Absolutely. If you're expecting an important call or text, just mention it at the beginning. Hey, I'm so sorry, but I'm waiting to hear about something urgent. I might need to check my phone, but I'm really enjoying talking to you.
That's perfect. Being upfront about it makes all the difference.
And if you're not expecting anything urgent, just put your phone away. Be present in the conversation.
Now, mistake number 10, and this is our last one, not knowing how to gracefully exit a conversation.
Oh, this is so important. Sometimes you need to move on and mingle, but you don't want to be rude about it.
Right, you can't just walk away mid-sentence.
No, but you also don't have to be trapped in a conversation forever. Here are some polite ways to exit. Hey, I'm gonna grab another drink. It was so great chatting with you.
Or, I see my friend over there that I promised I'd catch up with. Let's talk again later.
Or even, I'm gonna make the rounds and say hi to a few more people. Really nice meeting you, Johnny.
Those all sound natural and polite. The key is to be friendly, acknowledge the conversation, and give a reason for leaving.
Exactly. You're not making excuses, you're just being honest and kind.
And here's a pro tip. If you enjoyed talking to someone, suggest exchanging contact information. Hey, we should grab coffee sometime. Can I get your number or Instagram?
Yes, that shows you genuinely enjoyed the conversation and want to stay in touch.
Okay, Sarah, before we wrap up, let's do a full party conversation from start to finish using all the good techniques we've talked about.
Perfect. Let's do it. I'll start. Hey, I love the energy in here tonight. I'm Sarah.
Hey, Sarah, I'm Johnny. Yeah, this is a great party. How do you know the host?
I work with Rachel. We're in the marketing department together. She's always talking about her college friends, so I'm excited to finally meet everyone. Are you one of her college friends?
I am. We were roommates sophomore year. She's been talking about throwing this party for months. Have you tried the guacamole? It's amazing.
Not yet, but now I have to. I'm always on the lookout for good guac. Are you into cooking for yourself?
A little bit. I make a pretty mean pasta, but that's about it. What about you?
I love baking. I actually brought those chocolate chip cookies to the dessert table. Baking helps me relax after stressful workdays.
No way! I had one of those cookies earlier. They were incredible. Marketing must be pretty intense.
It can be, but I love it. There's always something new to work on. Teaching must keep you pretty busy too. Rachel mentioned you're a teacher.
Yeah, high school English. It's chaotic but rewarding. The students keep me entertained, that's for sure.
That sounds amazing. Hey, I'm gonna grab some of that famous guacamole before it's all gone, but it was so great meeting you.
Same here. Enjoy the party.
Perfect. That's how it's done, folks.
All right, let's recap everything we've covered today about party conversation mistakes to avoid.
First, don't immediately ask, "What do you do?" Try to find more creative conversation starters.
Johnny. Second, don't use fake or over-the-top compliments. Keep it genuine.
Third, don't monopolize the conversation. Remember, it's a tennis match. Give and take.
Johnny. Fourth, ask open-ended questions instead of yes or no questions to keep conversations flowing.
Sarah. Fifth, don't use overly formal language at casual parties. Keep it natural and friendly.
Johnny. Sixth, avoid complaining or being negative right away. Stay positive.
Seventh, steer clear of controversial topics like politics and religion, especially with people you just met.
Johnny. Eighth, don't interview people. Have a balanced conversation where you both share.
Sarah. Ninth, put your phone away. Be present in the moment.
Johnny. 10th, learn how to gracefully exit conversations when it's time to move on.
If you follow these tips, you'll be the person everyone wants to talk to at parties.
Johnny, remember, the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be genuine, interested, and present. The more you practice these skills, the more natural they'll become.
Exactly. And the beautiful thing is, these skills work in English or any language. You're not just learning English, you're learning how to connect with people.
So go out there, attend that party, use these techniques, and have amazing conversations.
And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Native Speakers for more practical English lessons like this one.
Johnny, we cover everything from grammar to pronunciation to real-world situations like today's lesson.
Sarah, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of English learners from around the world.
Johnny, drop a comment below and tell us what's your biggest party conversation challenge. We'd love to hear from you.
Sarah, thanks so much for watching, everyone.
Johnny, see you in the next lesson. Sarah and Johnny, bye.